Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Adornable Elements, the Beads of the Month Club. The Beads of the Month Club is from Adornable Elements. Like I said, I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2-hole Beads of the Month. You can use my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off on your first order with them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these packages is $22.95 a month for a single one, and they also have a double one for each for $39.95 a month. And they have other bead subscriptions that you can subscribe to as well. I get the single one because I wanted to get 2 of them. So, yes. And oh, look at these. Hello. Look at those. Oh my gosh. These are so cool. Okay, we're going to do 2-hole beads first. You put these aside. So the 2-hole beads of the month. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh. Wow. So let me see. I'm going to par first. Oh, I love these. Gosh, I have so much fun with these beads. WN HCN CRB. Okay. So we'll start with the green opal travertine Paros Parpucas, 7 grams for $5. We're just taking out a few of them. And let me get my head pin so I can kind of show you where the holes are, because these are really funky. Here we go. So yeah, so you have 2 holes there. So you have one there, and then you have one here. So look at the colors on there. Oh, they're so pretty. Let me make sure I've got enough light. Okay. Yeah, so these, you can really do a lot of fun stuff with these. So pretty. Absolutely love them. Next are the matte velvet carrot ginkgos, 7.5 grams for $3.25. Oh, yeah, I'm just taking a few out to show you. Oh, these are cool. So the holes go. Let me grab one of these first and show you. So one hole goes right here, and the other one goes right there. So they do look like a velvet carrot. It's so funny. It kind of looks like, it's like a light cinnamon, like the color. It's so pretty. I have a blast with these beads every month. And the sad thing is sometimes I don't end up making videos because I'm just having so much fun just creating things, which is really bad because I'm trying to do videos for these. And I just have so much fun. Look at these dark red line crystal Bible. 7.5 grams, $2. Look at that. So you get the 2 holes there. Look how fun these are. Love these. Oh. And next, oh, these look fun. Red laser bronze web web tiles, 20 pieces. Oh my gosh. Look at these. So these are, so here's the holes. We got 1, and then you got 2 right here. Look how pretty those are. Look at the etching on these. Oh, how funky. I love these. Oh, they outdid themselves again. And next is Crystal Picasso Half Moons, 30 pieces, $2.75. These are fun to work with, these little half moons. Because you can, like, you know, when you're doing a seed bead, you can like make it kind of bumpy. Like here's one of the, this is a little bit different, but this is from last month's box, which I'm still working on doing a finished jewelry video, but these are kind of like almost like the half ones, but they're thinner. But see how that you can raise up and you have more like of a texture to the piece of jewelry that you're making with them. So yeah, these are really pretty. And next, these are cool. There's 5 pieces. I need to pull this out without knocking. Hold on. Okay, here it comes. Oh, look at these. And they got 2 holes. These are funky. Look at that. 1, 2. Oh, these are without a doubt my favorite. These are really cool. Jet orange laser cracked coin, 5 pieces, $3.50. Those are just so awesome. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh. Oh, please don't drop. Oh, and the other one went. Hold on. I got them both. Oh, they're trying to get away from me. Slippery, slippery little guys. And then, oh, we had these in silver last month. These are CRB Capri Gold Carriers. 7 pieces. Let me open this one up. These are really cool. And you see the holes right there. They're the same on both sides. Kind of have an idea. We'll just have to stay tuned because I'm not really sure yet. I have to like soak in all this gorgeousness before I know what I want to do. If I can get that on. Okay. And then last but not least from this is Gold Shine Saddle Brown Super Duos. Oh, these are pretty. These almost look like coffee. Gold Shine Saddle Brown. They almost have, and I know you can't really see, they almost have like, they're so deep that they almost have like a purplish undertone to them. Like, they're a really unique color. I don't know if you can see it in my hand. They almost have like a deep, deep blackish purple undertone to them with brown on it. These are beautiful. Make some beautiful pieces of jewelry with these. Gorgeous. Let me put this away and we'll get to the hot and trendy. Okay, so here we are with the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club. This is called Formal Night, and the 2-hole was called Late Autumn. So this is Formal Night. These could make some really pretty, like, New Year's Eve jewelry. So check these babies out. This is the matte aluminum Mino Parpucas, 7 grams for $3.50. And these are just where you can just so you just string like 3 of them on like this. These are really pretty. Such a bright color. Gorgeous. And next, these are really cool. The TCP, the metallic cranberry teacup, 7 grams for $4. These are really cool. So you can, like, actually put 2 of them together and make like what looks like a round bead, or you can switch it around and have them like that. So these are so pretty. Oh, I love this color. I'm like getting some really cool ideas for jewelry from this. That's what I love about this box, is the stuff is so unique. It's like, the next is chalk white gray luster pellets, 50 pieces for $4. These are really pretty. And these are, we've been getting like this pretty much in every month box. We have, what do I have? I have the other ones I was working with. So, and see how they kind of lay, they kind of almost lay in like a brick lay pattern. So it's kind of cool. You can give it some texture on whatever jewelry you're making just by putting them next to each other. And next is the etched jet hematite daggers, 3 by 11 millimeter, 50 pieces. Oh, these are cool. Oh, look at the color. Those are awesome. They're like matte on part of it and shiny on part of it. Oh. See, so pretty. I love that look to them. Oh, gorgeous. And next is the jet red metallic flower cups, 25 pieces for $2.25. You can see those, they're so pretty. Oh, love these. So pretty. Like I said, I love using these as bead caps sometimes. You know, if you're creating like a strand of something and you want something to look a little different, you can use those. These are really cool. Alabaster metallic black button, 50 pieces for $3.75. These are really cool. I'll put them in here first. You can kind of see them. And then, let me kind of grab them here. We've got one. Here we go. There's another one. 2. Look how cute they are. Very cute. Alabaster metallic black buttons. And these, oh, these are fun. Next are Halo Razzmatazz Dragon Scales, 6.5 grams for $5.25. These are so much fun. We had gotten one, I think it was about 4 or 5 months ago. It was like a black with a blue finish to them. put a few on here so you can kind of see them. Yeah, see, they're like, they're almost like diamond shaped. You can see them like that now. Really pretty. Very unique color. And last but not least, I love working with these. These are fun. Full Labrador Callies, 50 pieces for $4.25. And these have 3 holes in them. So pretty. This is a really, really, really pretty package of both of them this month. I mean, if you're going out for New Year's Eve, or if you have a big to-do coming up for the holidays, I mean, look at these colors. You can't go wrong. You can make yourself some beautiful jewelry. Definitely. I mean, they hit it out of the park again this month. They always do, though. So, like I said, this is Adornable Elements for November of 2023. This is the 2-hole Beads of the Month Club Late Autumn and the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club Formal Night. So, and like I said, you can use my code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order from them. And I can't wait to make a couple tutorials with this month's box. These are gorgeous. So if you don't follow me, I suggest that you subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of videos coming up. And if I also have links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook below if you would like to follow me on there. And I will see you guys on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.